Welcome everyone, I am co-founder and CEO of DroneTalks, a drone and UAM educational platform. And I would like to talk today about aerial cities. This is an invitation-only sea-level event in the heart of Europe in Switzerland, which we organize to connect CAAs and cities with executives of the AAM and drone industry. Today I would like to have a shout out for our sponsors and partners, because without them this event wouldn't be happening, and without the strong support of those companies, I think we wouldn't be able to organize a free invitation-only event. So the first I would like to say thank you is Bobby Healy from Manna Drone Delivery from Ireland. The second is Barcelona Drone Center, who was a great support and make this event happen. The third one is Volatus Aerospace, Glenn, who is the CEO, and Daniela as well, who is organizing all the communication related initiatives. I also would like to say thank you to Unisphere and Christoph, who is also in our board, and they are a Germany-based software company. Drone Alliance Europe, of course, who are the association of the drone stakeholder manufacturers in Europe, in a coalition with the small UAV, and Gregory there, also in our board of the event, and they do a fantastic work to have an association with all the drone companies. Switzerland Global Enterprise, a very good partner of our event. They are working on exporting, importing from and to Switzerland, promoting Swiss companies' activities and opening up pathways to other countries. Also, Commercial UAV News, who have an event in Las Vegas in September. Check out, it will be in the description. They are our fantastic partners. Also, Amsterdam Drone Week, we are collaboratively organizing a few initiatives, and they have the event in March in Amsterdam, focusing on the European stakeholders and the EASA. Murzili Consulting. Murzili Consulting is owned by Lorenzo Murzili, our co-founder as well. They are focused on certification, regulatory strategy, and everything basically regarding SORA as well. Last but not least, Airborne RF, the platform who connects aviation with telecommunication providers, providing ground air risk information and real-time cellular information. We also have a host, Canton of Bern, who are hosting the event itself in a capital of Switzerland, Bern. On the other hand, we also have Kistler Group, who provide smart solutions, modem sensors for drone AAM testing, already with a lot of experience with an aviation field. Thank you so much for our partners. These companies and leaders make this event happen. Thank you again. All the companies will be mentioned here in the description.